Morning, so welcome back on the marina. Glorious day. Helping a neighbour out today. We're putting some angle irons in for a new sub base for his bathroom. So set up after here with the saws and the angle iron and what have you. As you can hear, Wayne's in there putting some of the old bits out so they can get in with the new stuff. And when we're done, he'll have a new subfloor angle iron train, which you can put the new boards on. And he's having a bath in there, one of those T-shaped baths with a shower on it. That's what we're on with. And it's a red hot day, and we're going to do welding. That's it there.
On the boat and see what Wayne's getting up to. He's removing some steel so we can put new angle irons straight across. And the steel that's being removed is the remainder of what was left from the pump out tank. Right, we've got steel cut. So we're putting a perimeter of steel in. And then across here, then down there, and across to that angle. And then a new angle across the back and fill that in. And then we'll put a mid span on. And then it should be solid. Oh, that's it. It's all done. No dab on today. It's red hot, although it's clouding over a bit now. It's been a gorgeous day today. Right, that's it. It's all in. So we've got a sound floor, or underfloor, to build the bathroom on now. So it just wants a paint up and that'll be done.